Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the PS4 loud fan / loud noise with no tools whatsoever. And you're not going to need to open up the PS4 as well. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys are going to do is actually turn your PS4 into safe mode. Now if you don't know how to do that, do not worry, I'll show you in this video. So the first step is actually going to be in turning the PS4 off. Now you have to make sure that these blinking lights on the side of the PS4 have been completely shut off. If they are still on, this will not work. Now once the blinking lights have been turned off, in order to put the PS4 into safe mode, what you're going to do is you're going to hold on the power button for about 6 to 8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Like again, I'll say it again, hold it for about 6 to 8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Now that the lights have completely turned off, we can begin. That was the first beep. That was the second beep. Now once we hear the second beep, we can let go and focus back on the monitor / screen. Also, another thing to keep in mind, we will need a USB cable for this to work, or basically your controller charger. Now we will see this screen pop up, and what you're going to do is you're going to hold on the PS button. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to rebuild database, and you're going to hit OK. See, now what this does is it basically removes all the corrupt files and all like the junk, you could say, of the PS4, the things that you definitely don't need and you will be better off without. And this will definitely help fix the loud fan noise. And you can do this without no tools, not opening your PS4, and it's very simple and easy to do. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.